Hi, today I'll show you quick and simple recipe which takes only 2 minutes, which is too delicious and at the same time healthy. So let's begin making tomato Susie toast. For ingredients, here I have wheat bread, curd, chopped tomatoes and green chilies, semolina which is Susie, mustard seeds, urad dal, coconut and salt. Now take a vessel, add semolina, curd, tomato and chilies and mix them well. Add water as requirement and keep this batter aside for about 2 minutes. Now for the tempering or tadka, I've used mustard seed and urad dal. You can skip this, but I love tempering in my toast. Now I've add coconut and salt to taste. Now heat the pan on a medium flame. Now spread the Susie batter over the bread and cover your bread with the batter. Now add a few drops of oil in a hot pan and flip the bread on the pan and let it roast for about a minute and cover it with the lid. Now flip the bread and let it cook from the other side. And our toast is ready. Isn't it simple? It is very delicious and very healthy. It's perfect breakfast recipe, so try it today. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, then like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.